model, 65-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi high-top spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,968. Engine, 2,198 cc 2.2 100ps TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner engine has seized, engine will need rebuilding or replacing grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status: Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,450. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07400